Hi, this is Lark from Lark'S.com. Come and visit my website where we talk about gardening, vegetable, flower, and techniques. So if you have any tips, come join the forum. Today I have my granddaughters with me, and their names are
Jalen, Addie.
and Addie, yes. And they're going to help with the potatoes. We're going to check out, vegetables. We're going to check out and see if our potatoes grew. This is an experiment, so we don't know. I'm going to dump it over, and we're going to look for potatoes. Okay, I'm going to dump this one over, girls, and you...
I will look for it.
Both of you. Oh, let's hope there's some potatoes in here. Okay, now get your bucket if you find any potatoes. Okay, Addie, come and help. You can get your hands dirty.
Potatoes.
Oh, look. Come here, Addie. This is Jalen's bucket. Here's Addie's bucket. Okay.
Hey, that's the potato.
Okay. Addie, come over and look.
I found the last one.
Here's one, Addie. Put them in your bucket. A potato. Show them your potato, Jalen, when you pull it out. Addie, show them your potato. Turn around and show the camera your potato. Yeah. Keep looking, girls. Oh, Addie, look.
Oh, my God. Look at
Okay, come over here. It's okay if you get dirty, because we're going to wash when we're done. Go in there and get the potatoes out.
potatoes.
Are you finding any?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. Remember to show them your potato, especially if you get a big one. That's okay. Is it kind of yucky, Addie?
Yeah. I thought it was teeny.
That's a good one. Okay, Addie, here's one. Grammy will help you.
I found one.
You did.
I didn't know
Oh,
these teeny
here's
potatoes.
one. Oh, cool.
Oh. I
Okay,
got it.
Jalen, look in that pile over there and push your dirt this way, because we're going to dump over another one.
Oh.
Good one, Addie. Show the camera. Show all the people over here, honey. Show them your potato. That's a big one.
We got a lot of potatoes.
We did, out of one bucket. One planting. We're doing good. Keep looking.
Dig, dig, dig.
Dig, dig, dig. They spent the night last night. We'll put this on the compost pile, okay?
Found one.
Good.
Where's one?
Okay, let Grammy dump over another one. Okay? Can you back off for a minute? Let's see what we got here. Anything? Nope. So how many did we get in this one bucket?
I got a lot.
Okay, see how many we got? We didn't count them yet.
Look it.
Look at here. Look at Jalen. Quite a few.
Wow.
Wait, Grammy will zoom in on it and see what you got. Let's see what Jalen got. Tip your bucket over. Oh, look at all those yummy potatoes. We can have them for supper. Okay, let's dump over the other container. Addie's too. Okay, let's check this one out.
I bet there's plenty of potatoes.
Oh! Addie, come.
Look it.
Get them.
There's a huge one. These are big. Oh, you found
This is what I like. I like seeing excitement from the kids.
I don't know. Worm!
Worms for the worm farm.
Look it.
Okay, put it in the galvanized bucket that we had the dirt in. Put it in there.
This one?
Yeah, we'll save them for the worm farm.
Yeah. Well, I'll save that potato in there.
Okay, cool.
I found more.
Okay.
Lots of them.
Addie, look for potatoes.
Oh, is there a potato? Oh.
Addie, here's a little baby one. Put it in your bucket here.
There's lots of worms.
Over here, Addie. Right here. Here's
Wow.
one. Here. Any more? Here's one. Oh, I feel some in here.
Lots.
See how they grow, Jalen?
Yeah.
See, they grow on a stem?
Yeah.
Good job. So I didn't get as many as I thought I would. But
Lots of worms.
there's
though.
lots of worms. That's good. It was fertilizing our plants. Let's This goes onto the compost pile.
I found lots of beans.
Well, we'll probably go through this. Don't throw the dirt all over. Try to keep it on the plastic.
There's another one.
Oh, here's some babies. We'll go through this later, finer, but the point is the kids, do you love gardening?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
And we're going to harvest some beans later, some pole beans. And my kids are not afraid of getting dirty here. What are we going to do after this today? Paint pumpkins, yes. They want to paint faces on their pumpkins, and then they're going to go frogging. Here's one more bucket, but I don't think there's many in here. So say goodbye to the camera, and we'll keep looking.
Goodbye.
Say bye to all my people and friends. Oh.
And we'll see you later.
Yep.
Whoa.
Whoa, show them that one.
Keep
Keep looking.
Whoa, look at all these potatoes.
Yep.
Look at Addie, look. Look at
I
all these
think
potatoes.
we got quite a few.
Wow, I found
Definitely more than I planted. Here, put it in your bucket.
one.
Here's just one right by your knee. 2 of them, 3 of them over here.
Oh.
Very cool. Papa is going to be happy.
Picked all these tomatoes.
Potatoes.
Potato.
Very good.
I found
We're getting
tuna.
dirt on Papa's stones over here. Back up, Jalen, over there.
I found a lot of worms.
I put plastic on a lot, but I see that they got us off the plastic.
Sorry, Papa. Papa's not here.
No, he's going to watch this video, though, because he's going to be so excited that you
Any more?
harvested potatoes. I don't know. Are you finding any more?
I see a lot of worms.
Okay.
That's all I see.
Can you say goodbye to my friends, guys?
Goodbye.